Hello everyone, my name is Mario and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura E8 espresso machine. For this machine we had to do a lot of work. We had to replace these entire spouts. This is for the milk assembly, as this one was basically the threads were completely stripped, and whenever it was doing any kind of steam or anything, it would just pop out completely from here. Not from the o-ring itself, but from here itself, it would just pull out. We had to replace the entire thing, and once we did that, we also had to replace some of the parts of the inside of the machine as well. This part specifically, this is one of the parts that are located on the other side of the machine. We fixed all the leaks of it, and then after that we moved to the grinder where we clean it, and then we did a cleaning on the brew unit as well, replacing the o-rings, lubricating everything, doing a cleaning cycle, and doing a discleaning cycle as well on the machine. So right now we're going to be testing this machine out. We're going to be doing a cappuccino, so that way we test the entire side of this, and then we're going to do an espresso shot on the spouts. Now the machine needs to get up to temperature. Once it does, this little line will completely fill up, and then it will start steaming through the other side. We do not have the little hose that is connected to here, so we're just going to see the steam coming out like that. We can see that the line definitely works as it changes how the steam comes out. This is what you want to see when you don't have the milk attached. So, yep, working the way it's supposed to. Cappuccino should come out through there as well. There you go, 3 ounces of coffee. Good steady stream coming out of the spouts, and not flying off or doing anything crazy. We're going to be doing an espresso shot, so that way we also test the spouts over here. There you go, one espresso shot. We lower the spouts. There you go, steady stream coming out of the spouts. Good color as well. And 1.5 ounces, just like the machine said it was going to deliver. As you can see, espresso shot looks really good coming out of this machine. Good crema, even though we're using our test coffee. And just to test the hot water function of the machine, we're gonna do that as well. It's gonna come in high temperature. There you go. Hot water, that's how it comes through these spouts. And really good temperature as well. So there you have it, Jura E8 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.